Hey, what's up guys, Skuz here. A few days ago we got some fresh CPUs from Intel, so today we're comparing i5-11600K with Ryzen 5 5600X. Here you can see their specifications if you're interested, and without further ado, let's see the benchmarks. So the only real advantage that 5600X has over 11600K is the power consumption, and it's a pretty significant one to be fair. However, i5-11600K costs significantly less money and even performs better in some cases. I'd go with Intel in this one, but feel free to do more research before you make the decision. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.